Did you know that for thousands of years, garlic was one of the most powerful medicines on the planet? Ancient civilizations didn't just use it to spice up their food. They used it to treat all sorts of ailments. And modern science is now proving what our ancestors knew all along. This humble bulb is a true superfood. So, what makes garlic so special? Let's start with your heart. Studies have shown that regularly eating garlic can help lower both blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Think of it as a natural bodyguard for your cardiovascular system, working to keep your arteries clear and your heart pumping strong. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke, and adding a little garlic to your meals is a simple, delicious way to help manage it. Next up, your immune system. Feeling a cold coming on? Garlic might be your best friend. It's packed with compounds like allicin, which have powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Regularly consuming garlic can help strengthen your body's defenses, making you less likely to get sick and helping you recover faster when you do. It's like having a personal army fighting off germs for you. But the benefits don't stop there. Garlic is also loaded with These are amazing molecules that protect your body from damage caused by free radicals, which contribute to aging and chronic diseases. By neutralizing these harmful particles, the antioxidants in garlic can help reduce your risk of serious conditions and even support your brain health, keeping your mind sharp as you age. And here's a really cool one: detoxification. In our modern world, we're exposed to various heavy metals through pollution and other sources. Garlic has been found to help the body detoxify from these harmful substances. The sulfur compounds in garlic can bind with heavy metals like lead, helping to safely escort them out of your system. So, how can you get more of this incredible food into your diet? It's easy. You can crush or chop a clove and add it to your salad dressings, stir fries, or pasta sauces. Roasting a whole head of garlic makes it sweet and spreadable, perfect for toast. For the best effect, let chopped garlic sit for about 10 minutes before cooking to maximize its beneficial compounds. From protecting your heart to boosting your brain and immune system, garlic truly is a kitchen staple with powerhouse health benefits. Start adding a little more to your meals today and see what it can do for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.